AccuQuilt. It's cut entirely with the AccuQuilt system. The blocks were done with a Wonky heart die, and the sashing and the bindings and the border were all done with strip cutting dies, and I'm going to show you how I did it. This is the Wonky heart die, and I've already cut it. Rub it to get off the static, and then slide the cutting mat off. And we're going to lift up carefully, because I've got 5 layers of fabric here, 6 layers of fabric. So we cut it, lift it up, and leave the pieces on the board. And so there we have the pieces. And I'm going to turn it this way. This is the heart, these 3 pieces here. And what I've done is I don't have any 2 colors next to each other. So in this case I have red, white, blue, red, white, blue. And what I'm going to do is take the 3 heart pieces, take the piece that's on top and put it on the bottom. And that's going to shuffle the colors. Take the second heart piece and do the same thing. And I like to leave it on my die as I piece it together. So now this is ready to piece, and I chain piece them. So if you look at your block assembly instructions, you're going to start sewing A to H. That's this one to this one. And I go through and chain piece these together, and then go to the next step where you're going to sew piece B to AH piece. And just continue till there are 9 steps here till you have all the pieces, all the blocks pieced together. And I like to do it in 6 multiples of 6. So I'll piece all these, then I'll go cut the next 6 and piece them.